Our topic for this week is what is mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation and adaptation are commonly used terms, but they're not always fully understood. The official definition of mitigation is an intervention to reduce the emission sources or enhance the sinks of greenhouse gases. Adaptation is an adjustment in natural or human systems in response to actual or expected climatic stimuli or their effects, which moderates harm or exploits beneficial opportunities. Some aspects of mitigation are easily understood. For example, switching from fossil fuels to renewable energy is a form of mitigation. Another form would be switching from cars to active travel. Both of these measures reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emitted. Mitigation can also occur through financial measures. For example, by taxing fossil fuels and CO2 emissions markets in order to encourage renewables. Adaptation is how we change in response to climate change. This could be through installing flood barriers, diversifying the types of crops we plant, or changing the way we design our buildings to make them less susceptible to flood damage. Adaptation can be seen as controversial, as many believe we are essentially giving up the fight and focusing on what we can control. However, adaptation is essential. Even if we stopped emitting greenhouse gases today, the effects of climate change will still be felt for many years. Failing to adapt would be very expensive financially, and would put many lives at risk in future. Therefore, we have an obligation to adapt to the current changes, whilst mitigating those that could occur in the future. So what should you do? Think about your current projects. Could they be better adapted to a changing climate? Are they being designed with today's climate in mind, or the climate of the future? Create an action plan detailing which of your buildings might be at risk of climate-related damage, and what you would do if they were damaged. Mitigation measures will vary. However, reducing your emissions and encouraging all sustainable practices are the best things you can do